G'day, let's have a look at these Knipex pliers with the new Comfort-Grip handles. These ones here are the 03, 02, 180, but they're the brand new ones, so they come with these 3-part Comfort-Grip handles. So I will actually just compare them straight away to the old Comfort-Grip handles. So these ones here are the same model, just slightly shorter and a different surface coating on them. But as far as the handles themselves are concerned, you can see obviously these are shorter, but apart from that, the ergonomics of them are pretty much the same. They've got that bend in them as well, and that little lip out the front is pretty much the same height. So as far as the physical structure of them, it hasn't really changed. What the change is, or the biggest change, is up the front here. You've got this thumb gray area here, which is now a softer, rubbery material, soft rubbery plastic. So the red here is just a hard plastic. The blue is a slightly softer, more grippier plastic, so a little bit of a rubbery feel to it. And now the addition of this third section here, again, as I said, that gray here now is a softer plastic, and you can see that little textured design on there just for extra grip. So it's exactly the same on both sides, which is good because they're symmetrical, so whichever way you grab them, you can have your thumb resting there and then your kind of other finger there, or whatever, however you hold them. But usually that's a nice way to go. So I will also just compare. I've got basically the same ones here as also 03, 180, just the 02 and 06 are different there. So again, the handles are different and the coating is different, the surface coating is different, but the physical size of these is the same. So now as far as the grips, I have to say, when it comes to Knipex grips, my favorite ones are just these dipped ones. So actually, when it comes to dipped, so I've got a few things here, but when it comes to dipped ones, you've got these just smooth ones. So you can see this here is just a really smooth, dipped into that plasticky rubber coating. So these are good, but they're not as grippy. But the good part about this is you can clean oil and debris off of them much easier because they just won't stick to it. So that's good. But my favorite ones, again, as I was saying before, are these ones here. So they're also the dipped type, but you can see they've got a bit more texture to them. So that texture is just nice. It's a lot more grippier than these ones, and it just feels a bit nicer in the hand. But then the problem of these thinner grips is if you are putting a lot of pressure on these or using these tools a lot, you're putting a lot of that pressure just on a really fine, thin area onto your palm. So that's where you then step up to these comfort grips or kind of the VDE insulation, obviously, if you're needing that insulation. But the surface area of this, you can see comparatively, is a lot bigger. So I think Knipex actually claims it's double the surface area on these grips than to the normal. However, personally, I was never much a fan of these comfort grips. I pretty much just have the dipped ones, and then I've got the VDE. So if I had to get some pliers that I would use all the time, get them with the actual thicker grip, I would then just go and get the VDE ones. They are a bit more expensive, obviously, because they're rated for the 1000 volts and that extra protection. So obviously, if you're an electrician, you want to go for VDE insulated tools. But if you don't need them, it's also still nice. I love these thumb bumps up the top, so you can kind of go and your hands won't slip. And then obviously that softer plastic. So the yellow here is that softer plastic. Probably the same sort of texture, I'd say, as that gray there. Whereas the blue here just feels a little bit less grippy, a bit more slippery. So I don't know, could just be me, but I think this yellow is a bit grippier. As far as these grips are concerned, I think it's definitely an improvement on the old ones. It is more grippier, which is what I like. I think it looks a little bit cooler too. You've kind of got that 3 different color. And then the other thing that they've added this whole extra feature onto them is actually when you come to the back here. So you can see cut out there and then that hole that goes all the way through. So I don't actually have any of them, but you can get little color coding markers to put in there. So you can color code your tools, and you can also get a little lanyard hook that comes in from the back. See, obviously that hole there. So it pokes through that hole, goes all the way through, and then comes out, and then you've got a little hook there. So effectively all of your tools can become like this one here. So this here, you can see that T designation on the end. So that's where they're going to start phasing out of these tools, and they're going to just basically have these handles. So on this T, just means tether. You can actually just unfold that little hook there, and then you can hook a tether to that, right? So you can have this tethered, but you specifically have to buy that. You can't retrofit that to handles that don't have that in it. Whereas the idea behind these is that everyone buys this, and then you can again color code them, so you can color code your tools, and you can also later stage, buy that little tethers and just put it in there and then have it tethered if you choose so. So that's a nice little feature, I guess, that all of your tools, pretty much you can upgrade them later and add that tether if you want. And who knows what else you can add. I'm sure you can 3D print stuff. Let me know down below actually what you'd like to see them. Could be cool. I'm sure people will come up with some cool things to add to this. And again, yeah, so those old handles, you just didn't have that option. You had nothing down here, just that made in Germany sign, but that's it. Whereas these ones just have that a little bit more information, so just slightly different. You can also see that that red color has actually gotten slightly different, so it is deeper on these new handles, which is nice. I think that's good to see, because it's probably actually somewhere in the middle, I'd say that way. So these ones here probably have the most kind of orangey look to them, whereas these have that nice deep red. So there you go, you can quite see the difference there. So that's good. Knipex can stick to that nice high quality plastic and a deep pigment in the color, which is nice and probably a little bit more expensive, but it's good. Knipex is going to start rolling these out, so the comfort grip handles are all going to get an upgrade. So all the tools that currently have the comfort grips are going to automatically get upgraded to these 3-phase or 3-part comfort grips. So they said they will roll that out over time. Not all the tools are going to go straight to that, but basically these are going to become an old design, and this is now the new design, so they will go replace all the comfort grips. Alright, awesome. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button so I get to keep making these videos, and as always, have a good one.